Hey, I'm Zon. Welcome back to the campground. And today we are checking out the Presto stainless steel deep fryer. Sometimes when you're camping out, it's not about the grill and the barbecue. Sometimes you just want to deep fry something. And this little guy is perfect for traveling, perfect for a small kitchen, and perfect at deep frying. So let's take a quick tour of it first. It comes in 4 pieces. First is the plug, second's the lid, 3 is the basket, 4th is the fryer itself. Now, is this the perfect deep fryer for a big barbecue of like 10 to 12 people? Not really. Like I said, this is a small deep fryer for a small kitchen, small space, or somebody traveling that will work perfectly for a couple or a small family of 4. You'll get all the french fries and tater tots that you need to go alongside the burgers, or you can fry up a couple pieces of catfish or a couple pieces of chicken in this thing. It's pretty simple to use. The basket can actually hang on the side here, and the lid can remain on top with the basket hanging. So as you're warming up the oil, you don't have to worry about where you're putting the basket. The nice part about the lid is it is vented and filtered, so it allows the steam to come out. It won't build up in there, but at the same time, it's going to help to prevent some of those oils from coming out. It's very basic controls. All you do is plug it in, turn the knob to the desired temperature, and it goes ahead and heats to that level. As for cleanup, that's really a great bonus. The heating elements come out, and then you just pull the basket out. So that allows you to take the oil out, and you can wash this in your dishwasher, or you can wash it in the sink. But what you want to know is, would I recommend it or would I buy it again? Yeah, absolutely, I would buy this again. We tried it out for the first time. We grilled out some burgers and we just cooked the french fries in here, and it works great. What I like about it is the portability, so I can go ahead and take it outside. I'm not getting that oil smell inside the camper. I like the compact size, so it's easy for me to store inside the camper. I like the easy controls. There's nothing too fancy about it, and it just works. It does pull down 1800 watts, so you do have to be aware that you are pulling a lot of wattage to use this, but there's really no reason to avoid this deep fryer. So as always, Amazon, I hope these reviews help with your purchasing decision, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your shopping day.